Hi guys, welcome back to another update on the Caddy. We're still doing the engine bay at the moment. Things going a little bit slower than intended, but I'm making some progress now, so here's where we're at. Okay, so I've gone around the entire engine bay with a Scotch Brite pad, or a few Scotch Brite pads. So everything's nice and scuffed up now. Most of the filler work is now done. So let's just remember there's a hole there. There was a hole there that they've both been filled. That's basically, obviously now I've converted to right hand drive. I had to cut out the panel and put this one in. Had to blank that because that's where it was left hand drive. Had to blank that as well. Blank a few bits and pieces here. I had to shave a little bit more out of this corner here because of the engine mount I'm using. So yeah, that's kind of it. So I just need to give it probably another going over because there is a few little bits. If I can find them again, but they are there anyway. But there's one little bit there. So just a few bits, and then we're kind of good for primer. So what I'm doing at the moment with the bonnet is, with the engine sit quite high, I've had to trim these braces. So I'm just going to neaten these up by cutting a straight line across there, straight line across there, and then I might welding a little piece to kind of blank it off or do something just to make it look a bit neater. Kind of just, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yeah, then I'll just obviously take all these bits and pieces off, sand all that flat, and then I'll paint the inside of this bit here just to make it look nice. Anyway, I'll put the camera down and get cracking. Right guys, that's it for me today. I guess at this point now the filler work is now complete. So I'll just quickly show you around what I've done. So all the holes have now been filled. Everything's been sanded down. The only thing left to do now is prime, paint and clear. On the bonnet side, I've sanded down all the kind of seam sealant stuff that was on there before. And I've trimmed all the edges going round so it's a little bit neater. What I'll do is I'll get from the body shop some more of this. It's kind of like seam sealant, but it's a bit firmer than that. It's not so squishy. It's more of a kind of a sealant glue than just a simple sealant. So I'll get that and put it around the whole edge to basically stick this kind of metal structure to the panel itself. So that should stiffen this panel up nicely. And then obviously I'll just prime and paint this as well. So hopefully the next video will be me putting some paint down, which would be nice because once the engine base painted, engine can go back in and we can start to put it back together and in essence finish it. So I'm quite tired now, so I'm done for today. So I will catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.